Hello, if you are wondering how we can connect with a car on OnePlus Nord for 5G, then let me quickly show you. So in order to connect your device to a car, we need to use the Android Auto. So we're gonna open the settings, then go to connection and sharing, and over here we will find Android Auto. You might need to update the app. If that's the case, then of course make the update, then go back to the same settings and open Android Auto. Over here, immediately you should be able to find some configuration options, but if you want to connect to a car, we have the connect a car button, and then we need to simply follow the instructions. So first we need to plug the phone into the vehicle's Android Auto compatible USB port. You can also try to connect by using the wireless Android Auto, which is available in some newer cars. So we can select this option in order to follow the instructions, or we can also press connect using Bluetooth afterwards, and that's pretty much it. Then all you need to do is simply follow the instructions that will be displayed on the device or in the car on the Android Auto. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!